Feet Picker, and today we're going through a Goodwill blue box. So this is a mystery box of plush, and I'm super excited about it because I love selling plush items. I'm a full-time reseller, and plush are probably what I pick up more often than any other item, if I'm being honest. I love selling stuffed toys. So the last two boxes I had weren't amazing, but they weren't that bad. So I ended up getting back on the Goodwill website and I ordered 3 more boxes. So I'm going to do this box today, and then you can look forward to 2 more videos in the future. So let's get into it. Got my box cutter ready. It's kind of popping at the top, which could be a good thing or a bad thing. Does that mean there's a lot of stuff in here? Or does that mean there's one big thing that took up the whole box and that's why it's busting? I don't know. We'll find out. Okay, wow, this is a very full box. I'm already kind of excited. I see lots of colors. I'm intrigued. Let's see, we'll start here. We've got just a little purple Easter bunny, kind of cute. Probably sell that, what, $8 free shipping maybe? I can get a couple dollars for a little purple bunny. This is a Star Belly Dreamlight. Interesting. I've sold some other Dreamlight products, so maybe this one sells. It looks like he's got a little projector in his belly. I'm sure he's worth a couple dollars. This whole box was about 30 bucks, in case I didn't say that. So that's the goal here, is to make $30 back. There's just a little dinosaur. I actually have one of these already that I lotted up with some dinosaurs, so he's good for bundling. Here we have a Paw Patrol dog. This is Everest, one of the girl dogs. Somebody wrote their name on the tag, but that's cute. Probably I might sell this by itself because it's a more popular or harder to find character, so I might be able to sell it by itself, but it'd probably be better if I could find a couple more little puppies to lot up with it. But that's a sellable item, so that's good. We got a Mama Shark from Baby Shark. Doesn't seem like the batteries are working right now, but okay, that's something. This is cute. This is Infantino brand. It's just a baby toy. It's got some rattles and some little teethers on it. It's just a little monkey. It's super cute. Used baby toys do sell. In case you haven't heard me say that before, they do. And yeah, I could probably get, I don't know, 10 to 15 for this little monkey. Cute little guy. That's a good find. Okay, if you give a mouse a cookie, what will he do? Does anybody know what a mouse will do if you give a mouse a cookie? I want to say, is this a Kohl's? I don't think this is a Kohl's Cares. I think it's nicer quality than Kohl's Cares. It's a little smaller. I don't know. It's just a if you give a mouse a cookie plush. That's super cute. I'm sure that's sellable. I'm sure I can get a couple dollars for that little guy. It's adorable. Let's see. I see Dora. We've got Dora the Explorer. The chef, apparently. I've never seen a chef version of Dora, but I'm sure we can get a couple bucks for that. I'm not hating it. Okay, I see what's taking up most of the box here, and I'm kind of excited about it because it's pretty brightly colored. I'm intrigued. It's a dragon! Okay, this really looks like it wants to be Figment the Dragon from Disney World. But it's not. It's an off-brand, but it looks like an imitation Figment. This is awesome. This is like a carnival prize. It's got that stiff feeling. Yeah, I love this guy. He's bright and colorful. I like him. He's super cute. I wonder, I'm not holding it too high, am I? Gotta check my camera, make sure you can see me. Super cute, right? Okay, I like that. Bet you that'll get me some money. I think I'll get my $30 back on this box. That's exciting. Look at this guy. He is cute. He is Adventure Planet brand. I found a lot of Adventure Planet plush recently. It's like I can't stop finding it now. This is just like Like a baby T-Rex maybe? A baby dinosaur? He is cute as can be. I love it. Awesome. There's lots of things to sell in here. This is a really good box. This is an Animal Adventure Raccoon. So I believe they sell Animal Adventure. I know they sell them at Target. I think they might sell them at Walmart too. But just a cute little raccoon plush. I bet I can get 8 to 10 for that little guy. He's cute. We've got a giraffe with Velcro hands. It's from the petting zoo. I'll cut this little string off here. Don't know what that's about. Yeah, that's cute. It's like, I've seen a lot of hanging monkeys. I don't know if I've ever seen a little hanging giraffe like that. I'm sure I can get 10 to 15 on that guy. I like it. Here we have RCA Nipper. Oh, isn't this the dog that was like on the VHS tapes? It's Dakin brand from 1992. Oh, how cute! A little vintage doggy. I love it. He's adorable. I'm sure that's worth something. Next, we have a Minnie Mouse baby toy. Just a simple little, it's got a rattle, it's got a crinkle skirt. Like I said, used baby toys do sell, so I'm sure I can get, I don't know, $12 for this one. It's got the little thing to hang it on the stroller. It's cute. Let's see, we've got a Big Bird. Can't go wrong with Big Bird, right? It's got some little twigs in his fur. It's a little weird. Maybe it's from his nest. It's probably from his nest. Yeah, little Big Bird. Can't go wrong with that. Maybe find some other Sesame Street animals to lot him up with, or sell him by himself for 10 bucks maybe. He's cute. Nice quality. Here we have a puppy. What kind of puppy is this? Oh no. Okay guys, I don't know anything about this puppy. And he's missing the tag that would tell me what it is. But I'm just going to go ahead and say it. He might poop. He has a little butthole on the puppy dog. I don't know what this is. Okay, this is interesting. I'll get a screwdriver, take that out, figure out what happens when you put batteries in them. I'm kind of afraid, if I'm being honest. I don't know what's going to come out of there, but that's an interesting puppy. What are you? Is this an alien? Okay, these are not your clothes. I don't know where you got these clothes. I'm gonna strip this little creature real quick so we can see if it's... I'm thinking that these clothes remind me of like vintage Cabbage Patch, but they don't say anything, any tags, so it might just be old baby clothes maybe? This is really weird to me. Okay, it's a plush alien, and he just happened to be dressed in baby clothes, which is really interesting. He's got some kind of diaper on. This is something interesting. We're just gonna leave it at that. Real interesting, right? We got a couple more things. We got just a basic teddy bear. Somebody did cut his tag off, which is sad. And he has a hole in his toe, which is sad. He's just a basic brown bear. There's so much stuff on top of him, it kind of squished him. I'm gonna have to give him some time to fluff back up, but I might still be able to get $10 or $12 for this little guy. Somebody's looking for this bear. They can sew his foot up. He'll be fine. He'll still sell. And, well, we've got a little snowman. TL Toys. Just a little... Let it snow! Let it snow, he says. Let it snow. It doesn't snow here, though. Very rarely. I live in Tennessee. It very rarely snows here. Okay. Pop-out pets. Okay. He's a turtle. And he's... I think he's a walrus, maybe? A walrus and a turtle? Pop-out pet? It's interesting. I've never seen one of those. Not too bad. Okay, I think I'm kind of happy with this box. There wasn't nothing a total home run in here, nothing that's worth a ton of money, but I think there's enough stuff I can definitely get my $30 back. I think I can probably make a profit off this box. And probably the best part is I didn't find anything I want to keep, which is great because I keep way too much stuff, let's be honest. I like stuff. I really do. I can't help it. So if you enjoyed this, please subscribe to my channel because I know I'm going to be making at least 2 more of these mystery box videos. And I do a lot of plush hauls on my channel, and I show you what I've sold and stuff, so you can kind of get an idea of things that you should be picking up if you want to do reselling for a living. And yeah, so that's all I got, guys. Feel free to comment in the below and let me know what do you think was the coolest toy in here, or what was the weirdest toy in here. Is the alien, which has some kind of battery pack inside of him, or the puppy that I think poops? Which one's weirder? What's the weirdest toy I got out of this box? What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Until next time, guys. Bye.